Hi, this is Michael Pine with True Digital Signage. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. Today I'm going to share with you how to use our Facebook integration. So as you can see, I'm in the True Digital platform already. I'm in the template library and I'm simply just going to scroll down until we find the integrations and find the Facebook integration. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click install. That's just going to bring it into the My Templates area. Now I can click on that Facebook integration and click edit. And you can see you get an error here when you first enter. It's just showing that you need to authorize your Facebook account. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Template up at the top left. Click on this block right here. And you can see that we obviously need to log in with Facebook. Just a couple things to note. Why do we need your login information? Facebook now requires user authorization to pull in your page information. And what will we do with this data? We will only use your post to update your templates. All content is cached for up to a day to ensure that your player never renders improperly. And then, do I have to log in all the time? So no, True Digital will keep you logged in to Facebook for 90 days at a time. After 90 days, you will need to log in again to continue getting up-to-date content. So I would definitely note to just make sure to re-log in or re-authenticate your page every 90 days. So you're still getting that up-to-date content. So I'm going to go ahead and click Login with Facebook. And I've already logged in, so it just automatically pushes me through. But you'll just select the Facebook account and accept and be brought to this page. So from here you can see your Facebook page name that you have authorization to, how many posts. Let's say we want to display 5 posts, and the duration of each post. You can mix it up. And then I'll go ahead and click Save. From there, I'll click Save Changes up at the top left to get a preview of what my template looks like. And it's automatically going to pull in the most recent posts from my Facebook page. And the nice thing about this is if you make a new post to your Facebook page, it automatically updates on your screen as well. So you can have your picture and the text. If your text is too long, it's just going to start adding these dots out here. But you can also change the background color by going back into Edit Template and changing that out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click back here. And if I want it in my live playlist, I simply click Edit under my live playlist and drag and drop that Facebook integration anywhere I like into my live playlist. Then I go ahead and click Save, and that content will start displaying on my screen shortly. So I definitely hope this was a good tutorial on how to use our Facebook integration. If you have any further questions about it or need help setting it up or anything like that, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help, and we definitely want to make sure your digital signage is doing everything and more that it's supposed to. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.